In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Then hold it and use this icon of a floating window. Then enjoy using your app in this window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. If you want to close your window fast, you can hold this line at the bottom and swipe it up. You can use exactly the same one to open your app. To open your app in full screen view right away, this time by dragging it down until you see this gray area. To minimize your app, tap on Home button and swipe it to the side. Then access it by tapping on the bubble and tiny window. Last but not least, you can tap on those three dots at the top of your window. Click on this icon to use it in full screen, this one to close it, or one of those to switch from pop-up to split screen. Then tap on the second app and enjoy using both. You can go back to pop-up view by clicking on the same three dots and this time selecting floating window option. Lastly, you can go back into the background and swipe your app to close it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!